Alright, we just looked at finding an equation of a line parallel to another one. In this example, we want to look at finding an equation of a line that is perpendicular to, in this case, y equals 5x minus 4. Now remember, with perpendicular lines, the slopes are negative reciprocals. So the first thing you want to do here is to identify the slope. The slope for this line is 5. Now that's nice because I already have this in slope-intercept form. If the slope is 5, then what is the slope that's perpendicular to that? Good job. That's going to be a negative 1/5. Remember, the slopes are negative reciprocals. Take this guy as a fraction, flip it over, and then you change the sign. So the slope is negative 1/5. So now you use your slope and the point that I've given you to find the equation of your line. So let's go ahead and use the slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Now I like using this form. It really doesn't matter which form you use, but you are given, you've got your slope, you've got your x-coordinate, and your y-coordinate. So the only thing you don't know is the b. So plug in everything. Let's see what you have. So your y value is 4. Your slope is a negative 1/5. And your x is 3, leaving, of course, the b that you need to solve for. I've got a bad feeling about this. This has fractions, so go ahead and stop the video now. Don't even worry about finishing the rest of this problem. Just leave it blank, right? No? Oh, you guys still stick with me? Good. We'll keep going along. So, solve for b by adding the 3/5 to both sides. Now you could leave this as a mixed number, but seems kind of weak, right? Man up, or woman up, depending on who you are. 4 plus 3/5. Remember, you want to think about your 4 in terms of fifths, and that's going to be 25ths. Remember, 20 over 5 is 4. It's the same thing. So 23/5 is your b. So now, take your b, which is the y-coordinate for your y-intercept, take your slope, and together you have y equals negative 1/5 x plus 23 over 5. Now this is slope-intercept form, but you can always take this into standard form. It's pretty simple. What you'd want to do first is to clear your fractions. Now I'm not saying this is wrong, what I have here. I'm just saying you can write this in standard form. To clear fractions, multiply everything times 5. Okay, this is a cheap way of doing it. This is part of the multiplication property. What you do to one side, you do to the other side. So if I multiply everything here times 5, I end up with 5y equals negative x plus 23. And to finish putting this in standard form, you want your x and y on the same side, so add the x over. So that's x plus 5y equals 23. So this is another acceptable answer for this problem. This is your standard form, and this guy right here is your slope-intercept form. Both are acceptable, both are right. This guy, we're going to see him in the next couple of videos. If something is given to you in standard form, keep it in standard form. Okay. So, again, you want to be perpendicular. The slope is the negative reciprocal. Use the point that's given to you. Get your y coordinate for the y-intercept, and then you're done.